movements to get your ankles warmed up for exercise. Okay, let's start on your right leg.
To bring social robots out of the lab, we must better understand how to practically incorporate them into clinical settings, but we cannot do this independently as roboticists.
This research program started because there's a lot of evidence that older adults who exercise and exercise regularly have better health. But what the COVID-19 pandemic showed us was that healthcare really is vulnerable. So we need to have healthcare providers be able to extend their services. So we thought a robot exercising eventually in the home of older adults would be amazing.
There are still a lot of open questions within the area of social robotics and utilizing this technology within healthcare. How should a robot act when interacting with a patient? How can we most effectively put this technology in the hands of a healthcare professional? How do we create human-robot social interactions that are natural, engaging, and effective for healthcare delivery?
Throughout all rounds of piloting the robot's exercises and programming the behaviors of the robot, the physical therapists worked with us through every step so we could deliver the best possible healthcare outcome.
In this project, not only were we watching our participants interact with two robots during exercise, but we collaborated with engineers as we managed the quality of patient care from a holistic standpoint.
Want to hear a joke? What did the left eye say to the right eye? Between us, something smells.
The first word that comes into my mind is it's fun. It's different. I enjoy doing it. I have gotten a lot out of it. I'm the kind of person that likes to do things quickly, including exercise, and this robot is slow. It taught me to slow down and do these exercises. It takes my mind off of the drudgery of the actual exercise and makes me giggle sometimes. I like it.
I've always been looking for an opportunity to combine my engineering knowledge with humans. So this makes me very happy that my knowledge and skills are now working to help humans, especially older populations, which I love.
When I first started programming the robot's behaviors for the physical therapy exercises, it was hard to imagine how the sessions would go. After observing multiple sessions, it's been awesome seeing the older adults progress and improve in their exercises and gain confidence.
To see the older adults interact socially with the robots, but also work with them on an exercise and activity level has been really exciting. We think that this is going to create a great bond between the older adult and the robot, which should ultimately help with exercise adherence and their overall health.
Our vision of the future of social robots in healthcare is the ability for robots to provide long-term personalization and adaptation to patient preferences and needs. We will develop social robots to be accessible by the general public so that barriers to adoption are reduced and the technology can be as ubiquitous as the personal computer and smartphones of today.
Well, I'm actually honored to be part of this program. Selected to be a pioneer in a new concept is very exciting. I think and I hope that it will go a long way to changing the way some people exercise.